Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. This is a kalam again here. Then in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a website in less than 5 minutes using Wix.com. If you don't know about Wix, Wix is a cloud-based website builder that provides design service and web hosting. It's for free. User-friendly platform that offers a range of template and 500 plus template you can use right now for free. So this link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. First, you need to log in here. So I really recommend you for login here using your Gmail because this is very easy. You don't need any password and any others requirement. Just log in with google.com. Then when you login are successful, you got a fresh. So I want to put my number. Then okay, when your login are successful, you look like a fresh web page on your front. So I want to click on create new site. Just click here. Then you need to select what type of website do you need right now. Example of you want to create a online store and you want to sell product, cosmetics, luxury and health and beauty and any others. And otherwise, if you want to provide a service like plumber, electrical and any others. Otherwise, if you are professional, you want to make a portfolio website. All are processing and all are possible here. Just look like. Then set up without AI. Just I am click on here. What kind of website you are creating? So I want to create a portfolio website. Just click here portfolio, then click on next button. Then I want to create my name, then click on next button. Then Instagram feed, blog, booking, chat, online store, portfolio. I want to create a portfolio, then again click on portfolio, then click on next button. Then again go to dashboard. Wow, my website are already processing here. Nobody can tell you about this secret because everybody want to hide their tricks and tricks, but I want to show you and share you everything because I love you guys. So I want to click let's Wix create a site for just click this button and see the magic and power of the tool. Wow, my name are already show here, so I want to click next button. Again I need to select a theme color, so I want to like first one. You can choose any others, this does not matter. Then I want to create this one or this one. Wow, this is really good and attractive, so I really like this theme because and I want to add about a page, contact us page, then next button click. Then my website are already done. Now I want to click on view site live because I want to see a live this website. Wow, my website are already ready, so I want to scroll down. Wow, info my site.com, then contact us, portfolio. Then this is really nice and attractive. So if you want to customize everything like logo, domain name, this font and this picture, everything are customizable. So in this video I already show you how to create a website using wix.com. So I create a lots of 5 to 10 video about this topic, how to change this photo, how to add custom button and how to add buy button, purchase button and everything step by step. In the next video I will show you. So what type of video you want to next, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care, goodbye, tata.